Today we're looking at the PowerConf conference speaker. And so to the left we have the power on off and the Bluetooth pair mode. It has a USB charging port, and audio output. To the top right you'll see the app, pretty much how to connect the Bluetooth. So you just go to your connected devices, pick Bluetooth, look for it, then pick the Anker PowerConf. Just pair it. It's that simple. I love the simplicity of the conference speaker. It's easy to pretty much use. Next we'll be doing the testing of the audio. So the feature has universal compatibility, voice optimization, IQ, Bluetooth 5.0, balanced sound, and 24-hour battery.
Can you hear me?
Keep talking.
Can you hear me now?
Yeah, I'm raising it. Let's see how loud
Can
it
you
is.
still hear me?
Yeah, I'm gonna mute it. Keep talking.
I can't hear you.
Oh, this is just to mute the you can't hear me. Okay, and then can you hear me now?
Yep.
Can you hear me? Can you hear me?
Yes.
All right. This is truly one of the best conference speaker I've ever used.